All right, so to get started with our lesson today, what I want to start with is basically just a recap of what we did, and then what I had you practice, and then from there we'll take a look at where you're currently at.
All right, Kevin, now the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to try to work on the downswing. So if I have you hold that for a second, and I'll just give you a quick little demonstration. You can stand wherever you are. But as you swing down, what we're seeing in general is hands, or hand path, if you will. We're talking about the direction the hands work. Your hand path is moving out this direction, and then we start to push the rear or the hips this way forward, and that helps you to save the shot. So what we're going to try to do is help get rid of that compensation motion of having to push the hips forward, which is again the root cause of if this is happening, you have to do that to save it. Okay, so to help you, I'm going to basically, once you get to the top of the swing here, I'm going to place a little noodle right along your arm here, and you're going to try to feel like you swing underneath it. Okay, so I'm going to give you that back. Go ahead and take your setup as if there was a ball on the ground, and I'm just going to place that noodle here. Okay, so I'm going to hold that about right there, and I want you to go ahead and make a swing and try to stay underneath that. Just a little practice swing for me. Good, very, very nice. Okay, we're going to do that one more time. Okay, so now let's introduce a ball. We'll see what happens when we put the ball in the picture, and we're going to do that exact same exercise or same drill. Okay, go into your setup and when you feel good. Go ahead there. Look at that ball fly dead down the center. I almost hit the center line. It's pretty solid. That was really nice. Good job, Kevin. Thanks. All right, Kevin, so that's going to conclude today's lesson. What I'd like to ask, though, is what key takeaways do you have from today? So what stands out from our lesson?
Very first one we talked about is essentially how the club traveled. You said my club was too far in, so I was trying to feel I'm almost picking up the club with my right arm, or like back of the right arm.
Right.
Like this. And on the downswing, we placed a noodle right next to my right shoulder so that I don't go out as much.
Did you find that helpful?
Yeah.
I'd recommend doing the same thing we've been working on, right? So just as a reminder, you're trying to stand a little closer, a little bit more pressure on the left side. That was way better. Much cleaner shot, really solid. How was your feeling on that one?
It was good. I
That
like
was
that a
nice.
lot.
That was good.